Welcome to my YouTube channel, Victor the Analyst. So today we're going to be talking about how to design a slicer in Power BI. So what is a slicer? A slicer in Power BI is an interactive tool for filtering reports, data by categories, range, dates, enhancing dashboard interactivity and analysis. Just say for example now, what we mean by this is that you can use slicer to filter data. Like let's say you go to online and you maybe on site like Jumia or site like eBay to buy stuff. You can actually filter your search based on price, based on location, etc like that. So that's how slicer work in dashboard. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you, so please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. Welcome back everyone. In this video we're going to be looking at how to design a slicer. So we all know what slicer is, and let's just jump right into it. Now for you to start designing your slicer, you need to even call out the value. Make sure call out the element. Make sure you are not you're not highlighting any of the elements. You click outside here, which is the basic. If not, it's going to override what we have inside here. So I'll click on, you can see this icon here, the visuals there, slicer. So let me click on slicer. I would just reduce this and I'll take this here. So this is where our slicer is going to be. I'll bring this down here. So now the next thing is going to ask you in this that we call it in this field, we are going to add our data. What are we slicing? Now this is the confirmation and the dashboard. So we are going to be slicing by confirmation here. So I'll go to my confirmation calendar table. Then I'll look for year, that is confirmation year, and I'll check the confirmation year. So automatically it pops out here. So the thing is that this is the default settings, but we're going to change this. We don't want this one, we want to drop down. So we'll go to the slicer settings, then we'll go to the and change this to drop down. So and we'll of the slicer header, then we'll close this. Let's go to the general. On the title, then we'll say confirmation here. So this is going to be vocabulary confirmation here. So we have that. I'll make this one bold. The color is going to be this color. Now we're going to align it in the center. So we're not going to touch the background color. So if we want to touch the background color, we can just change this to blue. So we don't want to change the background color, we leave it as no fill. Then let's let us close this title up. Now move on to the effect. Then we have the background. So this background is the white background we have here. We can just say no, we don't want background which is white. Now what we want to design is we want to design this place here, which is, so I'll go to the visual, then I'll go to the values. So this is what we have here. This place we have here is called the values. So now it's black. We're going to use this color as well. So the font color will be this. So I will just close the values. Okay, open the values up. Then I'll go down. Now we have the border and we have the background. So the background, we have it like no fill. So I'll click on this drop down. So the background, I'll choose we're going to choose this color for our background. So I'll do Windows Shift and C. I'll select this, I'll copy this. Now let me go to more colors. Now I'll do Control B. So there we go. So let me cancel this. So if I click on this drop down, so you can see we've actually successfully just designed our slicer. So now we've come to the end of the video. So now we would call it off for today. Thank you very much.